So fellas, y'all want to do a yard walk? Just got through eating some Denny's substandard food, but you know, it's what you get around here. Typical pilot Flying J. Somebody will chime in and say, oh, he's crying again. It's a good looking black Peterbilt right there. Seven lights. That looks nice. So I was asleep most of the day. We're gonna walk up here and show you a couple of heavy transport rigs. One of the gentlemen come up and knocked on my door and woke me up. Said he wanted to ask me questions about the old orange truck there. So we got up, talked with him. So we're gonna show you their rigs. A&T Peregrine. You can see that from that far away. So this setback front axle is his boss's truck, and he drives the set forward front axle. But these are 70-ton trailers. Look at the massive neck on this thing. Don't that thing look heavy? It's a 70-ton Fontaine. That looks like a true tri-drive truck there. But they're loading Tuesday. So this is a 13 axle, 10 wide deck. Man, that's a massive neck. It looks heavy. That's a 24-inch deck height. Not a bad looking whip. And then this trailer over here, which we'll get around there, is a 70-ton as well, but he's running as a 232. So this has got the bump steer on it. Quite an interesting setup there. I guess that would be like I guess it would be a hydraulic, just like what we're running. And then this is modular here, so he can take off an axle and shorten up if he needs to. Yeah, that's definitely 10 wide. You can look at how wide that is. Definitely 10 wide. And then this gentleman over here is the one that woke me up. So this looks to be a 8.6 wide. And this is a Fontaine as well. He says his is 70-ton and he has a drop side rail. And it looks pretty heavy, so you can look at how thick the flanges are on the beam. That's pretty stout. It's a pretty stout looking trailer. And then he's got a hydraulic as well, hydraulic booster. 232, same setup. Pretty nice looking trailer. Definitely looks stout. You can look at how thick those flanges are. It's pretty massive. And I guess his truck is a tri-drive as well. Looks to be that way, we'll see. But yep, it looks pretty good. Love the color, it's cream color. Looks really nice. Got some old school lights on it. It's a good looking truck. A couple standard Volvos, international combines. Look at this white Pete sitting here. Yeah, that looks sharp with a gray frame. Go over here and see if we can get hollered at. Yeah, that looks really nice. That's a clean looking truck. Super good looking truck. It's hard to beat white. The dude was gonna be diamond white, but I had a change of heart at the last minute, and it's a good looking truck. And of course, Freightliners, you know, as far as you can see. Nice set of pipes. Yeah, that looks good. Always like the look of reefers. I don't know anything about a reefer. Other than my luck, I'd get a load and get there and they'd tell me I gotta buy it because it went south, and it'd probably be 45,000 pounds of king crab legs. So guys, yesterday we had a derate, or we would be unloaded right now and pointed towards the southeast. So I guess about, I don't know, 20 miles up the road, ever how far back to the TA, we got a derate code. And sent a picture of it to the guy that, Josh, that works on the truck. They're saying, yeah, you're getting that because of that sensor that they can't get. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you this paperwork that cost me $120 to get up in here. All right. I don't know if y'all can see this, but so they hooked up their J Pro software. $119. And J Pro software is junk. Junk. Don't waste your money buying it. So my derate code, let's get to it here. It's not Cummins Insight, but he was able to reset the code so I could go on. My active code was engine misfire cylinder 6, and it started at this time and ended at this time, so that tells you that there is no misfire. So I sent that to my guy at Peterbilt, and he says that tells me that's your DPF still causing problems to put you in that mode. So they erased that code. It has not come back on, and we just basically run out of time. So we'll deliver Tuesday morning. There's an adult shop there for you guys that like that. Well, if you can't see through my windshield, can you? My dirty windshield. Anyway, stay out of those shops, guys. That's places that exploit women. It's not a good place to be. I don't recommend you go there. It's sad what they put vulnerable people through. So anyway, this is where we're at. See a lot of Wayne Giltner's trucks out here. Might have to give him some competition, huh? But anyway, the gentleman come over and talked to me that woke me up. Super nice guy. Most people I meet out here are super nice. And it's been hot here. It was 89 degrees. And it's cooling down now. We don't have anything booked for Tuesday, but we're going to book something and point it back towards the southeast. So that's all I got, guys. Not a lot of trucks here. They're only running 3 of their showers because their well is going out, so they tell me. So there's a water shortage. I don't know that I buy that, but okay. So I waited to take a shower like 4 hours today. I'm not a happy camper if I don't get a shower. So that's it, guys. We're here at what is this? This is a Flying J. That's a Pacific Pride over there. And that is the Rice Hill Inn Hotel. We're staying in the Peterbilt Hotel, which sleeps really well. Keep it nice and, you know, about 65 degrees. You can sleep really well. So some of you guys were sending me information through Instagram about the magic plug, and I'm pretty sure that I probably have an EGR problem, and we're gonna wait and see what they can do about it, I guess. We're not going to delete the truck. It just won't work for us. So I just thought I'd show you guys what's going on, where we're at. We'll be back.